What the credit bureaus don't want you to know about criminal history reporting. Hi, this is consumer protection attorney Bill Clanton. I've helped hundreds of consumers, that's regular folks like me and you, deal with inaccurate credit reporting, debt collection harassment, and other consumer related matters. The credit bureaus don't want you to know how easily someone else's criminal history can appear on your credit report. Yes, they get the criminal histories from county clerks, from district clerks, from court systems all over the country and compile them into their databases. This does not always go smoothly because there's a couple of reasons. The records are not accurate in the first place. Perhaps an identity thief got arrested and used your identity, or they gave a name that's close to yours, or their name actually is close to yours. Maybe they have the same birth date as you and a similar name to you. Well, guess what? The bureaus don't know. They accept what they get from the courts as true and they try to match it into your credit report. This results in tons of mismatches. This means that they are not reporting accurate information about your criminal history on your credit report. This can cost you jobs, can cost you credit, can cause all kinds of problems for you. This is a problem with both credit bureaus and background check companies. They will say, maybe you were arrested for a misdemeanor. They will say that it's a felony. Maybe you haven't been arrested at all. They may say you're currently in jail in California and you live in Florida. All kinds of crazy things happen with credit reports and background checks and public records. Now, this has been such a problem in the past that the bureaus have settled and no longer are reporting judgment information. Judgments almost never had a social security number tied to them. They very rarely have a date of birth tied to them. So it's very difficult to identify the correct consumer for a judgment that's reporting on your credit report. So there's a lawsuit with the attorney generals of multi-state attorney generals, and the bureaus agreed to no longer report judgments. Now, criminal records are a little bit different because they often contain a date of birth, which is almost never contained in civil records. The criminal records generally contain a date of birth, and so it's possible they could be more accurate, but not a great deal more accurate because there's only 365 days somebody could be born on. And so the odds of you having the same birth date as somebody else with your same name are pretty high. So if that person gets arrested, it could appear on your credit report. And that can cause you problems because it's inaccurate. If you have a credit report that has information about you that's not accurate, whether it's a criminal history or a bankruptcy. Bankruptcy is another type of public record that often get mixed up. Now, bankruptcies have the benefit of including at least a partial social security number. So it's not as likely, but it happens. Bankruptcies get reported on people who have not filed bankruptcies. And this can cause big problems for you. Problems getting credit, lowering your credit score, things like that. If your credit report is messed up because of public record reporting, give me a call. I want to help you straighten it out. And if we can't straighten it out, I want to sue the credit bureaus who are publishing lies about you. Thanks for watching this video, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.